Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a very exciting video for you guys today. It's a subscription box that was sent to me by Confetti Collections, and the girl that I worked with was super awesome, so nice, and I'm actually very excited to show you guys what I got and what this is all about. So first of all, this is the box that I received, and it is called Confetti Collections. The sticker up here is actually saying that it's the winner of the US Subscription Box Awards of 2019, which is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at this. I've been very excited to share this with you guys, so I've been kind of holding off. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it now and see what's inside. Before I do that, Confetti Collections is more like stationery items and giftable items and novelty items. I think you get like 8 or more things. So I'm very used to getting makeup subscriptions, so this is very new to me. I'm really curious to see what they have in the box for this month. So it is a bi-monthly subscription, so you get one every other month, and it is and also it's $19.99 plus shipping. And so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what is inside the box for I think this is for October, November. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like inside. So this is the main item. They do give you a whole bunch of that like, what is it, gift shredded stuff. It's very cute. The box and everything is so cute. Alright, so it is bubble wrapped and everything, and it comes in all of these stringy things, but this is the main item right here. I do think it's a pretty big box for that much item. It has a cute little sticker that says Confetti Collections, and it comes in this little tissue wrap. Everything you get is all of this item right here. I'm so excited to go in and see what all of this is. So it says Confetti Collections Surprise Treasure Hunt Box. Who doesn't love the thrill of a treasure hunt? We've curated some of our favorite treasures just for you, so start hunting through this box to see what they are. Now, I did see somewhere that they do have 2 different boxes going out for the month of October, November. So let's see what I got in my box. The first thing I see are these little string thingies. So basically these are good for like wrapping gifts, you guys know, and I hear that you get one of these in every box that you get, of course in different colors based on the theme. These are great for doing gifts, and I love wrapping gifts. If you haven't seen my gift wrapping skills, I did do one for last Christmas or the Christmas before that, and I will leave a link to that up here. Definitely go check that out. I love wrapping gifts in very cute ways, so this will definitely help with that. I also have like a box of ribbons, so this can definitely go in there. Next item that I have is this. First of all, this feels like leather, and it has like a little bug design right there, and basically what this is a little pad of lists, and look at that detailing up there with the flowers. How cute is that? So this will be something where you can write lists in here, and there is like a little rip off, tear off thing, and the list is written in gold. I love this whole green and gold and floral look. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So I can definitely keep this on my office desk. I have been trying to get my office desk ready for me to, you know, be a little bit more organized. So much going on at one time that sometimes it's hard to keep up with everything, so things like this will definitely help. And I love cute stationery. It's just really cute. So next, this says it is by C.R. Gibson. I don't know if this says who it's by. This is also a collection by C.R. Gibson. So this obviously goes along with that because it has the whole foresty floral stuff. So it has like a little mushroom thing right here, and when you open it up, oh, it's like one of those like page tabs, you know? So there are cute designs, 2 mushrooms and 2 leaves. So that's what that looks like. And these are those page things where like page savers, so you can just tear one off, you can write a little note on it and save it in your pages. For me, it'll be great for my Bible. I can keep this as tabs on little things of where I've read and little notes that I have, so this will be great for that. So this right here, oh, this is to write down recipes. These are recipe cards. It's also by C.R. Gibson. I don't know if this whole collection's by C.R. Gibson, but it says from the kitchen of, oven temperature, serves, prep time, cook time, total time, ingredients. This is so cute. I know a lot of people don't do written down recipes anymore. It's mostly everything's like online now, but this is really cute as a gift for someone who loves to cook and they can write down their recipes. I would definitely give this to my mom. She would love this. She can write down her recipes or any recipe she hears. She loves to just take down stuff from, like, you know, when they have cooking shows on TV and stuff, she'll take things down and try to make those, so that would be great for her. This looks like pretty sturdy cardstock, and you can write your recipes and keep them in like a little book or something. It's a really nice gift item and very thoughtful gift item. Ooh, I see another thing that my mom would love, which is this address book. So I just love the packaging, white leather, and addresses is written in gold with a gold ribbon binding. And it just, like, you know, the old school address book where, like, you know, you have your phone, your home phone, telephone, whatever. This is so nice. I think my mom would really appreciate this. I keep everything on my phone. I think a lot of people do, but I know that my mom, my aunts, like my grandparents, everybody used to keep things in on a paper or written down somewhere, and this is really cute. I know my mom would love this and the recipe book, so that would be really nice to give her for like the holidays or something. So this is so cute. And there are people who do carry things like this around. It's small enough and you can carry it around, but since I use my phone for most of those things, I think this will be definitely a giftable item. So the next thing is a bookmark, which is also C.R. Gibson. It has like a little tassel. Let me see what color. So it has like, I don't know if it's like a green or a grayish black tassel, but it has a tassel. It's this lime green color with gold arrows. How cute is that? And it has that little tassel. This whole look is so adorable. Next thing is this book, obviously by C.R. Gibson, because the whole thing has a whole theme to it. Oh, I love this. So this is a notebook. It says notebook on the side with the gold. I love this whole like nature plus gold theme. The sides and all have gold in it, and the inside is just with lines, and it has, you can put the date up on top. This is so pretty. So I've definitely been wanting to get a notebook because I wanted to keep something by my bedside just so that I can write down like certain gratitude things. I'm trying to be more aware of things in my life and having gratitude towards the things that I have and the things that I want and things like that. So it's good to write things down just to remind yourself of all the blessings that you have. And so I feel like this will go perfectly with that, and plus it'll help me to keep organized if I want to use it for that as well. And I can use my little bookmark to keep things where it is and the paper tabs and everything. So this is really nice, and even the book feels so nice. Like it has like a leathery kind of a feel to it. I don't know if you guys can tell. Definitely doesn't feel like paper. So it's definitely something I would keep by my bedside or something, just to remind myself of all the things that I'm grateful for, so I can get up and like write those things and start my day that way. Trying to make some changes in my life, you guys, more towards the positive end. So this will definitely be helpful towards that. And the last item I have, it says, "Hello Gorgeous." It's a compact mirror. I mean, hello. That is like perfect for me. I love this box. How cute, white and gold. I mean, hello. Hello Gorgeous. The box itself is gorgeous. So this is the compact that comes inside. How cute. Okay, so it's gold and black, and it says "Hello Gorgeous," and you click that little thing on the bottom and you get a mirror. I mean, wow. So this end is magnified and that end isn't. This is so cute. I can keep it in my purse. That's it as far as what's in my confetti collection. This is so cute for people who love to collect stationery things, and I know there are a lot of people out there, they just love cute little things like this. But like I said, you also get like novelty things, like the compact mirror is so cute. And definitely giftable items. I would definitely be giving the recipe and the address book to my mom. She would love it. So yeah, so so I really like it. I want to give a thanks to Confetti Collections for sending me this box. It was really kind of them. I've been wanting to get organized, I've been wanting to get my things together, and this will definitely help me with that. So if you guys are interested in your own Confetti collections, I will leave a link to it in my description. You can go check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know which item you like the most. I don't know, I think I'm leaning towards... No, actually, I like quite a few things in there, but I do love the compact mirror though, so, and the book. The book is really nice. Okay, so you guys let me know what you guys like and if this is something you would be interested in. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye! Oh, and also, if you like the lashes that I'm wearing and you think they look pretty nice, I do have a video. Whether it's already out or it will be out. If it is out, I will leave a link to it up here. Go check it out and let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, have a good one. Love you. Bye!